Good morning. This is.
It's gonna be so shitty. Gang.
This is Brayden. So it's on the seat.
Ah! Oh my god.
Would you like to introduce the video to people?
Yeah.
Explain what's going on.
Oh, we're going over to Rushville right now.
Oh my god.
You know,
No, your boy's gonna get picked up.
don't know about that, but maybe.
It's a very tired morning in Modoc. And there's Randy Riddle on the phone, and here he is in real life. But you'll never be able to see him in real life. Right.
I was just thinking about saying my address, but then I thought about it.
Maybe I thought about saying your address. We both know it.
That'd be crazy, though.
You guys want to know Randy's address? How about this? In the next video, I will give out your address if this video hits.
Oh my god.
100 likes. Yeah.
That's a lot. That's not gonna happen.
If I get 100 likes, if I end up getting 100 likes on this very video, I will give out your address.
It won't happen.
It's gonna happen.
It's not gonna happen.
No? Yeah, it is.
I don't think it will.
I think it will.
I don't even have 100 likes on one video.
Well, I'm gonna get 100 likes now because everyone wants to know your address.
Who?
No.
Crazy.
No. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah. Look at Harley. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. You're very shaky. Title of this video: Earthquake. Modoc, Indiana. Well,
She wants to be around. She's already.
no. What are your thoughts for your next video?
I don't know the.
I don't know. I
Okay.
guess record more geese.
You know what? That's a good idea.
That's what you should do.
I should record geese. Yeah, find some geese. If we see some geese on the way, I'm definitely recording them.
You know, you guys are having more like a podcast than what you are having a vlog.
You know what, Gage? You know what, Gage? Nobody cares about your opinion, okay?
Well, I do.
Touche.
Alright.
Okay, well, it's enough of that.
Podcast than we are videos.
Technically, a podcast you can't see, and the video is being recorded.
Well, there's some
visually.
podcasts where you can
Well,
see 'em.
hey,
Yeah,
some
but it's a video.
podcasts that stream on YouTube won't show people, so
Yeah, but
But the old school podcast
they
is
were on the radio.
and actually the podcast that you see on video is just a recording of them making the podcast on radio.
Just
Yeah, I know.
So the podcast, that's a video of them making a podcast. That's not the podcast. Got a little brain explosion on your face. My bad. So while we go to Rushville, we're gonna run. He's not gonna get last place. Nope.
Then last time.
I'm not gonna get first.
Way to have
Right? think I'll do okay.
How many runners is there?
I don't know. Brandon, how many runners will be here?
A lot.
Like 200?
That'll probably be somewhere in the process of the week.
So 150, 200? Around there? Around 150 to 200
Somewhere like
people.
the
Not space people.
Well, technically there's more runners because there's 6 different races today. We were in the first 2 races.
Yeah. Well,
But I didn't like the come
But
from
the
high
race,
school.
our race itself is about 150-ish.
yeah.
Did you like come from high school?
Yeah. It was
No, it
alright.
wasn't the course. It was like how it was outlined. I think
I thought it was alright. If you stayed with the front pack, it was easy to follow.
oh, it's like that.
Yeah.
She don't even know.
Nope. Not a clue. Doesn't know a thing. Got Gage over here sleeping. Braden up there watching Netflix. Got Harley back here. Who knows what he's talking about?
I think he's sleeping.
Well, Braden's sleeping now. He was watching something. Then we got Faith over here. Chilling. Got Autumn. Autumn hates you. No introduction there.
I just sneezed 4 or 5 times.
Randy just sneezed 4 or 5 times. He was just sneezing.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not one of them dramatic people that just yell when they sneeze.
He's just like, shoot.
There's some people that can sneeze without closing their eyes.
I can do that.
That's weird. How's that not weird?
It is. It is weird. Yeah. Never gonna cut your hair.
I'm gonna get trimmed. I'm not gonna get cut off.
You should get it cut like this. Short.
What is up? Better give me a hug. What makes it better? I mean, kiss.
We're getting close to the good old game.
You gotta send your love to your subscribers. You gotta go. You gotta go. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah. Send the love to the subscribers.
No.
Why?
Because that's,
You got it.
that's gay.
You gotta love. You're gay.
I'm not
You gotta love
gay.
your subscribers. Or they'll just like.
I love my subscribers. Watch this.
Oh. That's pretty cute. Yeah. That's cute. I love that.
Boom.
Wow.
That just happened.
Great love.
And you can't undo that. So where do you find Wilson?
Anywhere. I don't know if they sell it or not. But it's Walmart. Gas station. But it's expensive.
About how expensive?
Like $3 or $4 a bottle.
It's a lot. This vehicle in front of us on the train is kind of legit. If it'll focus. No.
No,
The camera's facing that way.
You spiked my tongue in home.
Nope, you can't see it, but it's pretty legit.
I know.
Unreal. Uh-oh.
Oh. Wait. Yeah.
Train tracks.
Everybody look.
See you at the crossroads.
It's so beautiful. I know. Look at.
Shout out to Propel. You know, we're sitting here shaking. You know, it smells like mashed potatoes right now. Don't know why. Yeah. Put some cold butter all over it and then it melts and it's all hot.
Okay, I found another really funny video.
Joey.
Yeah, Joey. Okay, I found another video on your channel that's really funny. The one that says it's Randy Riddle gets another name. It's Randall Riddle gets another name. It's Eugene Riddle gets another name. Also known as the Riddle. Yeah, that's a good one. Your face at the end for your little eyebrows.
Look at the background. Oh wait.
We should just this is the segment where we should read the label on the profile.
Everything?
Everything.
It's Electrolyte water beverage by Gatorade. This is the grape one. They have like, you know, kiwi, they have berries, but this is grape. Yeah, it's 0 calories. That's about it. It's got 0 sugar or nothing like that. 0 calories.
What about the flavor? Is it natural, artificial flavor?
I think it is naturally flavored with other natural flavors. That if that ain't the fakest thing that I've ever heard, I don't know what is. You getting gas at the speeds? Oh, we're not. We're turning around. Oh, there's a Honda Insight. Look, that's a Honda Insight.
It is. Those things are so ugly.
No, they're not.
That's a cop.
Yeah, undercover. I mean, they don't. But that specific year is probably like a 2000 to 2006 Honda Insight. And most likely it's a manual because they don't make them, well, I think they do make them automatic, but the manual, you want a manual. But I don't even think they make them automatic. But it's like with anything. But, you know, it's specifically, getting like almost 60 miles per gallon. And, I mean, you can in a Prius getting out all night, but manuals get better gas mileage.
Took a sharp curve right there.
I don't know what happened to my phone. I don't know what
She has it.
I don't know what's being done on it right now.
She's just looking at it with the flashlight because she thinks it's pretty. The rainbow on the back.
Well, I mean, it is cool, but it's not like it's on the back of the phone. You're not going to be looking at the back of your phone.
No. Especially if you have a case on it.
See, I got a case. I got a case, but I don't use it because it's like weird. It's hard. You got to press harder to click on it.
There was no point in that. Yeah. It happens. It's what they do.
Honestly, 6'1". That dude needs some legs. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. 6 foot. Wearing what length pants do you wear?
I mean, what? That wears like 34
Exposed.
Check out that video right there. You can't read it, but it's Kevin Hart freestyle. Husband's cipher.
Exposed.
That's actually pretty funny. What about that?
Oh, wait, not that! Not that!
Alright.
Yep. Shout out to Dax.
Like this.
Yep.
That's what I meant. Like that. Not like that.
Look
Well,
at that.
Yeah.
Things are cool on the Hondo.
We're gonna take a break. We're gonna be back in probably 10 to 20 minutes. So, would you like to say some words to transition this out?
Look at that. State police.
Alright, we're here with Ethan and Jaron, and we're just sitting in a different seat on the bus now. It's kind of a chilly morning, but